It's okay. I'm trying to find it. I thought
While
I.
you looking that up, let me just tell them about these quick claim deeds, because that was another thing that we've been getting a lot of, is folks popping up with quick claim deeds, saying that people can't make it to the closing, or yeah, they had the quick claim deed for daddy and now daddy's passed away, but they still had a quick claim deed. The moment you I'm sorry, not quick claim deed, my apology, power of
Mhm.
attorney. So folks will pop up saying mom, dad can't make it to the close, and they have power of attorney, or they have power of attorney over them during their transition. The moment someone gives you power of attorney, that power of attorney is only in effect for the duration of their lifespan. The moment they pass away, their that power of attorney is gone. It's void.
Mm.
So if they gave you in the middle of a transaction and they gave you power of attorney because they're in a hospital or what have you, and you've signed the contract and you've done all this other great stuff, if they pass away before the closing transpires, um, you can no longer use that power of attorney. You're now back dealing with probate, or hopefully your name was on the deed and you could do it that way. But the power of attorney is no longer valid, the one or enforceable, the moment someone passes away. Some power of attorneys, you have your durables and you have your broads. A lot of times for title people, we ask to be a part of the power of attorney drafting and the document being used when you're handling real estate, because we like for a power of attorney that's specific to the real estate transaction. We don't get all off into doctor privileges or banking privileges, things like that. Our goal and everything we do is related to that particular transaction that's at hand. So that's a lot of times where we ask to have a power of attorney that's specific to a real estate transaction, or if it's identified in there. But even with that, if that person passes away before the sale transpires, the power of attorney is not valid at that point. So we always tell folks, because we've had a couple of cases where the sibling or the attorney in fact, which is the person signing on for that power of attorney, we always tell them, have a ladybird deed done, have yourself added to the deed, have other things in place just in case this person pass away before we get to the close table, to prevent you from having to deal with probate.